and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an empties video, so if you want to see all the products that I've used up recently, then keep watching. I have a lot of empties in here, so I'm just going to show you the product, tell you what I think, and I'll just say if I'll rebuy it or not, because it's a lot. First product I'm going to start with is this DeMer Nail Enamel Dryer. I actually really like this. This is just a spray. It looks like a hairspray, and you just spray it on your nails and it just dries them really quickly. This is great if you're, in a rush doing your nails, or if you have kids and you're doing their nails. I use this on my sister when I do her nails like once every 5 years. Or when I worked at Sweet and Sassy, we use this all the time on the kids because, they fidget around and all that stuff. So this is great for that. I would definitely repurchase this. You can get this at CVS, probably Walmart, Target, Harmon Beauty Supply, like stores like that. Next thing is this Indie Hair Dry Shampoo. I actually really like this. If you remember, I think it was on like my first or second empties video, I talked about this brand and I had their hairspray and I actually did not like it, but I really like the hairspray. I think I said this in one of my other videos. I think that this brand is sold at Ulta. I saw it once, but I haven't been there in a while, and I don't remember seeing it like the last time I was there. So I'll link it down below if I can find it anywhere. I can't promise you because this is from a brand called Scruples, and that is a brand that's like only really offered to people with a cosmetology license. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But I really did like this dry shampoo. It did make my hair look nice and clean. It took out all like the oils and all that stuff. The next things are these Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition shampoo and conditioners with avocado, olive, and almond oils. I got these from Buzz Agent a while ago and I liked them. They were okay. They made my hair super greasy, I started to realize, and just weighed down, so that was kind of like one reason why I didn't really like them. I did a whole review on these a while back. I'll link that down below if you guys want to check it out, but they're a good shampoo and conditioner if you're in the market for one. Next we have this Renewed Hope in a Jar Refreshing and Refining Moisturizer sample. This is from the brand Philosophy. I have no clue where I got this from. Probably a Sephora order. I don't even know. Maybe a magazine because it's like teared out. But I didn't really like this at all. There wasn't enough. I don't know why I don't like samples. There's just not enough. It was like a pea size. And like, I have a big head. Like, it literally just covered my nose. I don't know. It was okay. I didn't love it. Didn't hate it. It was meh. Next up, I have these Tarte Skincare 911 Under Eye Rescue Patches. I really like these. These were just like those gel patches that you put under your eye. I like them because my eyes just looked awake once I was done using them, and they just looked nice and fresh. Like, they didn't look, my under eyes don't look gross, but they just looked really nice for like the first time in ever. So I would really repurchase under eye patches again. I don't know if I would get ones from Tarte, but if I found ones at like Ulta or Walmart or CVS or something, I would definitely try them again. Next we have this Deep Down Detox Ultra Cleansing Mud Mask with Orange and Bergamot from Formula 10.0.6. I really liked this mask. It was really nice. It just made your face feel super clean, and like it just felt like it got all the dirt out from your skin and all the gross stuff. I would definitely repurchase this again. I love masks from Formula 10.0.6. They're really nice and they're an affordable brand. Next up is this Neutrogena cleanser. This is the oil-free acne wash pink grapefruit facial cleanser. I love this. I really do think that this helps clear any breakouts like it claims. My face always feels nice and clean after I use this. I've repurchased this a million times, and I would highly recommend if you're ever looking for a good drugstore cleanser. Next up, we have this Shea Moisture 100% extra virgin coconut oil, head to toe nourishing hydration, soften and restore hair and skin. So I use this to take off my makeup pretty much every day, and I loved how it took off my makeup and how it made my face feel after I took off my makeup. It felt so good. I think I might get like coconut oil from somewhere after I'm done with what I'm using now, but I use this to like the very last drop. It was so good. I didn't use this in my hair, and I really want to try to use it in my hair. So if anyone knows how to use coconut oil in your hair, let me know in the comments down below like what you do. Next thing is a little random, but just hear me out. This is a white tea body lotion from Camelot and Sweets in Anaheim, California, across from Disneyland. I took this from the hotel when I went. This moisturizer is amazing. I actually left this in my bathroom so I can put some lotion on my hands after I was washing them. And my hands felt so soft and they smelled so nice. I just love this. I want to see if I can order it from anywhere because it's really good. I just really like it. So if you ever stay at the Camelot in Anaheim, California, try out their lotions. Next up, we have this Proganics Soy Protein and Caffeine Volume Amplified Gel. I would put this in my hair after I showered and I just really focused it on the roots and it gave my hair the volume that it was lacking. I really like this. I actually got this from Ulta for $2.99. I don't know if they don't make it anymore or something, but it is really good and it really does what it claims. I would definitely repurchase this again in a heartbeat. The next thing is, again, a little random, but I'm going to talk about it. This is the L'Oreal Feria Power Shimmer Conditioner. This is the one that came in the hair dye when I dyed my hair. I really like this. It actually had like little specks of glitter in it, which I thought was interesting. But when I rinsed it out on my hair looked really pretty. So I don't know what those little specks of glitter did. If this came in a full-size bottle, I would totally repurchase it. Next, we have the NYX Micro Brow in Black. I love this. I need to get another one as soon as I'm done with the other brow product that I'm trying to finish up. This is just so good. It's so comparable to Brow Wiz, but it is so much cheaper. So if you're looking for a good dupe for Brow Wiz, I recommend this one. Speaking of Brow Wiz, I finished a Brow Wiz too this month, and this is the one in chocolate. I like this, but now that I know that the micro brow is pretty much the same thing, I think I'm just going to stick with that because it is a cheaper option. Next up, we have this Yes To Coconut Hydrate and Restore Ultra Hydrating Facial Souffle Moisturizer. I really, really liked this. I liked how it felt on my skin. My skin felt really soft and smooth and just moisturized after I used it. I always use this in the morning and my skin just felt really good. It did help with dry patches. I used this starting in the summer and it really helped the peely skin that I had on my face, and I also used it throughout some of the winter also, and my skin felt nice and soft, and I use this like literally to the last drip. Next up are these two First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Creams. This one in my left hand is the grapefruit one, and then this one is just the plain one. I really liked both of these. These helped my skin so much. My skin is just so dry because of the winter, and these really hydrated my skin. If I was to repurchase though, which I probably most likely will repurchase, I want to get the pink grapefruit one because this one just has like a nice scent to it. This one, it kind of just smells like diaper rash cream, and I just like the pink grapefruit one better. Next, I have another shampoo and conditioner, and this is the Maui Moisture Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk Shampoo and Conditioner. This is for dry hair. I pretty much just bought these for the packaging because I thought the packaging was cute. But I really did like the product itself. They were really nice. The one thing though, it was kind of like the Garnier one that I had mentioned earlier. They made my hair really greasy. I just feel like there was too much moisture in them. But I did really like them, and they smelled really nice. I have already repurchased a different like type of shampoo from this brand that I've been liking a little bit better, but I would definitely repurchase from this brand again. Next is another shampoo and conditioner. I have so many hair products this month. And this is the L'Oreal Color Vibrancy Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner. I actually got these samples with the hair dye that I had, and I really liked them. They made my hair feel really soft and clean, and they really helped like lock in the color. I would definitely repurchase bigger bottles of these as well. Next thing is this Real Techniques brush cleanser, and I don't like this. I feel like it doesn't really do a great job of cleaning your brushes at all. My brushes didn't really feel clean, and I felt like there was still product like makeup in it, and I don't know. I feel like baby shampoo does a way better job. Next is another sample. I got this in my Walmart beauty box. This is the Olay Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream Advanced Tone Perfecting Moisture. I can't tell you if I like this or not because there just was not enough in this sample. I just don't feel like I was able to get like a good review out of it. I couldn't tell if my skin was luminous looking or not after it. So I might buy a full size of this just so I can get like the full effect from it because it sounds amazing. It says it fades dark spots and even skin tones, which I, would love to test out. Next we have one of my favorite setting sprays, and this is the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I love this. I've repurchased this a million times. Next I have two little mini Gold Bond hand creams that I just kept in my pocketbook. This one is the Healing with Aloe, and then this one is the Radiance Renewal Cream Oil, and this one had coconut oil, cocoa butter, and African shea butter. I liked both of these, but I liked this one a little bit better. Both of them moisturized my skin and my hands felt great. That's what I mainly use it for, my hands, but I think this one did a better job and this one just had a nicer scent. Next is my Jergens Natural Glow Daily Moisturizer, and this is in medium to tan. It's just like a little travel size because I had it for when I was traveling, and I love this. This is one of my favorite things ever. Highly recommend. Next is a foundation, and this is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation in Buff Beige. I got this from Influencer, and I really, really like this. It looks like there's a lot still in here, but trust me, I was scraping this baby out with a foundation brush thing, and there's just nothing left in here. I really, really like this foundation and would definitely get again. Next we have two mascaras. First is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I love this, one of my favorites. And then this one is the Maybelline Great Lash Lots of Lashes. Again, this is another one of my favorites. I absolutely love it. I would repurchase these again and again and again, and I already have. Next up, we have this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 15 Fair. I love this concealer. It is absolutely one of my favorites. I've repurchased this so many times. And the last two things that I have are these Benefit creams. This bigger one in my right hand is this Total Moisture facial cream, and then this little one is for your eyes, and it's the It's Potent Eye Cream. I really, really like this Total Moisture cream. Would I purchase a full size? No, because it's like $40, but I just really enjoyed it, and I just absolutely love the packaging of both of these. And then I would not get this eye cream. It didn't really do anything for my eyes, number one, and two, it burned my eyes. I don't know if it was one of the fragrances in here or what, but my eyes were always burning and like on fire whenever I used it. So that's just a reason why I would not repurchase that. And then, like I said, they're both expensive, so that's another reason why I wouldn't get them again. And that is it for this Empties video. I'm sorry it's a long one. I just had a lot of stuff, and that was like a month's worth of stuff too. I'm not even kidding you. Like, I'm looking at my floor right now and it's a mess. This was like a month and a half worth of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.